Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate the donuts in Tableau. For this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. In Tableau, the variables are divided into two zones. This is the zone of dimension, and this is the zone of measure. So, for creating the donuts, we will require one dimension and one measure. So, let us pick up the sales from here and drop it into the columns. Let us pick up the category from here and drop it into the rows. The next thing which we have to do is to generate the two vertical zero axis line. The first one will be for taking the average of the sales, and the second one is for creating hole in the donuts. So click here, write down average 0, enter. Again click here, write down average 0, enter. Now in the marks section, we will be having all, sum of sales, average aggregate, that is this one, and average aggregate 0, this one. Now click on this after the sales one and make this pie chart. And after that, pick up the sales from here and drop it into the angle. Now click here and activate this as a dual axis. So in the marks, again, you will have all, average 0. So activate the middle one, and in this, increase the size of this. You can see donuts are ready. Now click on average aggregate 0. And here also activate the pie chart. Now activate the inner one. See, this is the inner one and this is the outer one. Activate the inner one, click on color, edit the colors, and you can select from here the palette which you want. So for example, I activate the W20 color. Okay. Now I'll pick up the subcategory from here and drop it into the color. And you can see that the donuts are ready. Moreover, if I want to change the inner color, this one, I'll go again here, edit colors, and select, say for example, the green one. Okay. And the colors have been changed, but these colors are overlapping. So again, I'll go back, edit colors, and I'll pick up the another color that is yellow. Click OK. So this is the way you can generate donuts in Tableau. Still, I feel that the yellow color is overlapping. I'll go here, edit colors, and this time let me select the black color. That will be much better. Um, okay, yeah, this is fine. Now, if I want to include one more dimension, say for example, segment, I'll drag it and drop it into the columns. So you can see 9 donuts have appeared. So this is the way you can generate donuts charts in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Please don't forget to press the like button.